everyone. I'm Anushka
and I'm Amana.
and welcome to Bro Sis teaches
fireless cooking.
episode
2.
Today we are making chocolate mug cake. So let's
start.
let's start. First we will take a mug.
Yes.
Then we will add 3 tablespoons
Of
sugar.
Sugar.
Woohoo. Now flour.
Flour.
3 tablespoons. Now cocoa powder 2 tablespoons.
Yay!
Add it
Okay.
slowly. Very good. Now we will add some vanilla.
Vanilla.
1 drop.
One drop on.
Now we will add some salt. A pinch of salt.
Now
We will add
some
1 pinch of baking powder.
Yay!
Right here.
Because I like baking powder.
Ooh. Add it.
See.
Very good. Now we will mix with a fork.
Yes. It is so yummy. I want to eat
Now we will add
Some milk.
3 tablespoons.
3 tablespoons. I will add.
No, slowly. Now first we will mix it. Now we will add
It is
some
working.
more.
It is working. All the milk.
No, not all the milk.
All the milk I said means all the green milk.
Now the last milk. Now we will mix.
Mixy.
So we will see you after mixing it.
Yes.
So our mixing is done.
Done.
Now we will add some ghee, or you can add oil or butter also. And we have taken 2 tablespoons.
Yay!
Oh no!
Oh,
Ta-da!
no.
Now we will mix it once again.
Yes!
Mix.
Mixy.
Make sure there is no lump. So our batter is ready. Now we will put some choco chips. The last ingredient is chocolate chips. Cookies. Not cookies. Chocolate chips.
Yes.
Yummy.
Yummy.
mug cake is ready.
Now we put it in the microwave.
We will put it in the microwave now. So now let's put it in the...
Microwave.
You go that side.
Okay.
Put it for 1 minute. And if your cake is not ready in 1 minute, you can put it for 1 minute 30 seconds.
Yes.
So let's wait.
Yes.
So our cake is ready. It is so hot. Let's see.
Very nice.
So, if you liked our video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button, hit the like button, and enjoy our videos.
And
Bye bye.
bye bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for